Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to efficiently plan your dissertation using Notion, the 2025 guide. First things first, let's create a new page in Notion for your dissertation. This will be your workspace, where you'll outline all your ideas and tasks. The reason we do this is to provide a dedicated space for your dissertation, helping you stay organized and focused. Now that we've done that, let's add a table. Click on the plus New button and select Table. This table will act as your planning tool, where you'll list down your chapters, their descriptions, and their deadlines. By doing this, you're essentially creating a roadmap, making it easier to track your progress and stay on top of your deadlines. Next up, let's add a progress column to this table. This gives you a visual representation of how far along you are with each chapter. This helps us because it keeps you motivated and allows you to manage your time effectively. Now, under each chapter in your table, create a new subpage. This is where you'll write a detailed outline for each chapter, including your research notes, resources, and references. This step is important because it helps you organize your thoughts and ensures that you have all the necessary information at your fingertips when you start writing. Let me explain why this matters. With a well-structured outline, you're less likely to face writer's block or lose track of your arguments. Instead, you'll have a clear path to follow, which will make the writing process much smoother. Here's what's happening behind the scenes when you do this. Notion is creating a hyper-organized structure for your dissertation, which will streamline your workflow, save you time, and reduce stress. Finally, let's add a daily tasks section to your Notion page. In this section, list down what you need to do each day to meet your chapter deadlines. This helps us because it breaks down your big task, writing a dissertation, into smaller, more manageable tasks. And there we have it. You've now learned how to plan your dissertation in Notion. This structure will not only help you stay organized, but also ensure you meet your deadlines and produce high-quality work. Remember, the key to a successful dissertation is planning and staying organized. Good luck, and until next time on the channel.